Hello everybody, John here, and today onto the garage we're doing something a little different. One of our subscribers, John Hughes, was kind enough to send in a video clip of a problem on the XK8 that he'd found and he'd resolved. And it's not a problem I've had, so it's not one I can video, so I was very grateful for him sending it in to us. So what I've done basically is just taken John's video clip and dropped it straight into the channel's format, and it's what follows. So this might be a complete one-off, in which case, well done John on having your own unique video, or it might be the start of something that we can try out as a group. If you've got a little video clip that you'd like to send in that's either a secret of the XK8 or a mod or maintain thing, or a hint or tip, or just something you'd like to share that you thought might be good for the whole of the community to share, then send it in to me. The email address is john@tothegarage, all one word, .co.uk. We'll leave the details at the end of the video. I can't guarantee that it'll ever see the light of day. I've got to remind you all that this is a hobby, you know, this is something I'm doing for my own entertainment, and because I'm learning from it and enjoying you guys chatting away on the community with me, I'm learning a lot about my own car as well. So no guarantees of anything ever, but if I've got something good and I think it's appropriate and it's not going to offend anybody and all those sorts of things, then I'll try and get it on. One thing to bear in mind, because I'm using YouTube and they have very strict guidelines on this sort of thing unless you start paying lots of money, please make sure there's no ambient soundtracks in the background. Even if your radio's playing, I can't use it because we'll get stung and the video will get rejected. See what you think? Moving on. Too much waffle. John Hughes.
Hi all, John here. Just got a problem with my XK8 at the moment. The airbag light, warning light is coming on. I've read on one of the Jaguar forums that the actual flashing of the light indicates the code. So I'm just going to demonstrate the code I'm getting at the moment. Hi, so we switch the ignition on and it goes through its first check. Wait a few seconds and in a few minutes you should see the airbag light come on. So it flashes once, twice, stops. Once, twice, stops. Once, twice, stops. Once, twice, stops. That apparently is the error code for the airbags diagnostics, and as you notice it flashed twice, then stopped, then flashed twice again. So the error code is 22, which indicates a driver side airbag fault. Let's have a look at it later and see whether that is correct. Bye for now. Well, as I said, the diagnostics indicate it's the airbag fault, driver's side, or airbag circuitry to be exact, driver's side. So what I did was I undid the connectors under the seat, sprayed them with contact cleaner, put it all back together, and hey presto, the error light cleared. So I hope you find that useful. Bye.